Good morning! We're gonna make breakfast. And we have some leftovers. Today we need to do shopping. What are we going to do?
We're checking for the flight.
We're checking for the flight. Ah, shit.
Like music.
I thought I could make a video without a music stops. And I was already frustrated because of those stupid flight apps. Okay,
Okay.
where are we going? We're going to the hot spring. Google Maps it said it's closed. But it's not closed. Let's go! Because this belongs to your normal hair, right? I should not cut it, so we got a problem. What do you think of his beard? We just cut it. Yes. Put it in the comments below. Like, subscribe, thumbs up. On the comments below.
Can you say something?
Yes. No, we like you. We love you, followers. What should we do without you?